Hello and welcome back. In our previous lectures, we learned about variables and their data types. In this lecture, we will learn about various operators in Python. Just like in mathematics, Python has operators. Operators are simple functions that do arithmetic or logical computation in our programs. The values that the operators operate on are called operands. So in Python, there are 7 operators. But in this tutorial, we are going to learn only about arithmetic and assignment operators. Let us get started with arithmetic operators, which are the most important for performing basic arithmetic operations in Python. Let us start with the addition operator, which adds 2 values. For example, x plus y. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 100 plus 246 is equal to 346. Then we have subtraction operator, which subtracts one value from the other. For example, x minus y. 50 minus 46 is equal to 4. 2867 minus 365 is equal to 2502. Then we have multiplication operator, which multiplies 2 values. For example, x into y. 45 into 34 is equal to 1530. 387 into 4 is equal to 1548. Then we have division operator, which divides one operand by another. Example, x divided by y. 45 divided by 3 equals 15. 764 divided by 56 equals 13.64. Next we have is the modulus operator, which returns the remainder of the division. For example, x modulo y. 456 modulo 23 is equal to 19. 87645 modulo 8 is equal to 5. Next we have is the exponent operator, which raises the power of left operand to the right operand. For example, x to the power y. 7 to the power 4 is equal to 2401. 32 to the power 3 is equal to 32768. Then we have floor division operator, which returns quotient rounded to the nearest integer. Let us get started with equals to operator, which assigns right-hand operand to left-hand operand. For example, x is equal to 7. Y is equal to 3.65. Then we have add equal to operator, which adds right-hand operand to left-hand operand and assigns the result to the left-hand operand. For example, x plus is equal to y implies x is equal to x plus y. X equal to 7, y equal to 4. X equal to 7 plus 4 equal to 11. Then we have subtract equal to operator, which subtracts right-hand operand from left-hand operand and assigns the result to the left-hand operand. For example, x minus equal to y implies x is equal to x minus y. X equal to 45, y equal to 12. X equal to 45 minus 12 equal to 33. Next we have is the multiply equal to operator, which multiplies right-hand operand by left-hand operand and assigns the result to the left-hand operand. For example, x multiplied equal to y implies x is equal to x into y. X equal to 23, y equal to 4. X equal to 23 into 4 equal to 92. Next we have is the divide equal to operator, which divides left operand by right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. For example, x divided equal to y implies x is equal to x divided by y. X equal to 35, y equal to 5. X is equal to 35 divided by 5 equal to 7. Then we have modulus equal to operator, which takes the module of the left operand and using the right operand stores the result in the left operand. For example, x module equal to y implies x is equal to x modulo y. X equal to 456, y equal to 23. X equal to 456 modulo 23 equal to 19. Then we have exponent equal to operator, which raises the exponential power of the left operand to the value of the right operand, storing the result in the left operand. For example, x exponent equals to y means x equals to x exponent y. So, if we have x equals to 7 and y equals to 4, then x exponent equals to y would be 7 to the power 4, which is equal to 2401. Next we have is the floor equal to operator, which divides the value found in the left operand by the value of the right operand. The integer result will be placed in the left operand. For example, x floor equal to y means x equals to x floor division by y. So, if we have x equals to 764 and y equals to 56, then x floor equal to y would be 764 divided by 56, which is equal to 13. And now it's time for a really cool ninja trick. So let us suppose we have a variable called x and we have assigned a value of 10 to x. X is equal to 10. Now let us add 5 to this variable. X plus 5. Let us try to print the output after the addition. Print x. So any guesses about the answer? The answer is 10. So most of you would be thinking the answer to be 15, and it is because we did not assign the value of x after the addition operation. The right way to do it: x is equal to 10, x plus is equal to 5, equivalent to x is equal to x plus 5. Print x. So in this lecture, we learned about two operators in Python. Firstly, arithmetic operators, and secondly, assignment operators. And in the next lecture, we will learn about comparison, logical, and bitwise operator. Till then, keep enjoying Python.